Hello guys, Brad here again with my first review of 2014, and today I have a flanker of Yves Saint Laurent's L'Homme, and this one is called L'Homme Cologne Gingembre. And I had gotten 4 of these sample vials off of eBay, but the bottle itself looks kind of like that, very similar to the original bottle, but the juice itself appears to be very clear by comparison, and maybe the glass I think had like a more of a mirrored effect to it, or like a frozen kind of an appearance to it or something. I haven't really seen the bottle, so I can't really say just from the picture, but it's an aromatic spicy. Came out in 2011, and top notes contain bergamot and water notes. Middle notes are ginger, basil, violet leaf, and white pepper, and in the base, vetiver, musk, oak moss, and cedar. Base noters 0 positives, 1 neutral, 2 negative. So like I said, I've had 4 samples of this one. Got quite a few wearings out of it, but there are 3 main points that I want to bring home on this video. First off is the smell is pretty similar to the original. You see the notes here, bergamot, ginger, basil, violet leaf, some of these other notes are all in the original. So basically what they did, they took out the tonka bean and replaced it with some more transparent airy notes, like the water notes in the, I believe there's an ozone accord in here as well. So the smell is nothing too profound, even though the name gingembre might imply that it's kind of interesting, but it's not really all that interesting. Second of all, it's a cologne, so projection-wise, very disappointing. I would say you really have to douse yourself with this one, and after about half an hour, you're not going to feel like you're wearing much of anything. So performance-wise, very disappointing. And third off, that ozone accord that is in this fragrance does give it this strange metallic vibe. So I find that a bit off-putting as well. I didn't really like that note. So those are 3 things that I want everyone to take care of from this review. It smells okay. I would probably say the original is definitely one that everybody should check out and possibly own. Libre is probably my favorite from the whole collection. A little bit different, and probably not quite as popular, or you know, it's not something that as many people have smelled, but I would say equally, if not better, smelling than the original. And then there's La Nuit, which I thought was a little bit too sweet, but also has a lot of love in the fragrance community. But this one, most people agree with me, it's not really very consequential, and it's pretty much a pass. So scores, smell, I'll give it 6 out of 10. Probably had a dock at a point for that metallic ozone accord. Projection longevity, 4 out of 10. After an hour, it just seems like a waste. Versatility, now that depends. If you're looking for something that's not going to project or offend, then this is probably a good signature scent. If you want to make an impression, not so much. I'll say 7 out of 10. Uniqueness, 6 out of 10. The ozone kind of thing does give it a little bit of uniqueness, but not necessarily in a good way. Price point, 2-ounce bottles, about $49.50. So yeah, I mean, these L'Homme fragrances aren't cheap, but at the same point, they're not too bad. They're affordable. So 6 out of 10 for price point. Overall, I think a fair score of 5.5 out of 10. A rather uneventful flanker here. Stick with the original or Libre first, and if you're still interested in trying something, maybe give this one a try, but be prepared for something kind of light and really disappointing. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.